In this video, we will show you how to separate first and last name in Excel. In any case, you have full name, look like this. You can separate easily to get the first and the last name here. In the next also, I will show you how to get the middle name also. Okay, first, to separate first and the last name from the full name look like this, you can just block your data. You can only select block one column look like this. Okay, then click data here and select text to column. Okay, select delimited and click next. And in here you need to select space. Okay, don't forget to select space in here, and then click next and select general and click finish. Now you get the first name and last name here, and you can just need to make the font bigger, look like the others. Okay, you get the first and the last name. Okay, now the question, how we can get the middle name if the name is contain 3 words. Okay, it is the same. Okay, we will show you here. This is have 3 words. This is also, you can just separate this by clicking again and click data and select text to columns and select delimited, click next and click space, select next and click finish. Now you can see you need just make this first name. Okay, first name, and in here is middle name, and this is the last name. Okay, now after you create title like this, you can see we will make this 16 or 14. Now you can make the others with Ctrl X. You can get the values look like this, just let it by default. Okay, and you will get the easiest way how to separate the name. And that's all tutorial how to separate first and last name in Excel. Hope this video helpful for you.